In this video, let's talk about the recommended wheel spacer size for the BMW. Let's check it.
Proper BMW X7 wheel spacers make sure your wheels and tires have enough space, so that nothing rubs up against the fenders, brakes, or other suspension parts. The perfect size of BMW X7 wheel spacers may differ per version. For example, the recommended wheel spacer size for BMW X7 is front 1 inch and rear 1 inch. In other words, these spacers provide perfect first stance. If you install aftermarket wheels, things can be different. The BMW X7 wheel spacers are standard components for fixing the wrong offset issues. Getting the wrong offset can actually reduce a vehicle's stability on the road. By creating the offset, spacers improve driving safety. For those who have a limited budget, installing BMW X7 wheel spacers to fit the wheels will be a good idea. If you add high offset wheels or wide body kit, then there is a pretty high chance you need BMW X7 wheel spacers. BMW spacers are available in larger size from 3mm to 50mm. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good BMW X7 wheel spacers, then look no further than Bonus. Bonus manufactures a huge range of BMW X7 wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGSTV test reports. The precision of Bonus BMW X7 wheel spacers has reached 0.02mm. After hard anodizing, the corrosion resistance of these Bonus BMW X7 wheel spacers is greatly enhanced. In this way, you can also choose to customize the pattern you like, and will have the paint on the customer BMW X7 wheel spacers you want. All Bonus BMW X7 wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision BMW X7 wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience.
Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.